everyone, I'm Louise. Welcome to my channel. I'm currently learning 3 languages and I've always been interested about different cultures and languages from around the world. I've tried many ways to learn languages and there are so many language learning methods out there. And I've seen some people spend more time trying to find the perfect method rather than just learning the language. I've actually fallen into this trap before and I've realized that how you learn is not so important. What is important is that you keep using the language as much as possible. And I think that to be able to stick with it, you need to learn in a way that you like. So find a method that suits you. Like, if you like watching movies, just watch movies. If you like reading books, just read books. I think it's the best method. It should be personalized. 在学习语言的过程中，我其实也遇到过很多困难。比如说，我学中文差不多已经5年了。一开始的时候，我觉得汉字非常难。你不仅要记住大量的汉字，还要记住这些汉字的发音，还有声调。但是很有意思的是，你学的汉字越多，汉语会变得越简单。而且你会发现，中文的语法要比其他语言简单一些。반대로 한국어는 제가 지금 1년 반째 배우고 있는데 처음에는 정말 쉬웠습니다. 한글을 배우고 나면 거의 모든 글자를 읽을 수 있으며 발음은 다른 언어에 비해 어렵지는 않습니다. 한국어는 배우면 배울수록 어려워지는데요. 한국어는 같은 뜻이라도 다양한 표현 방법이 있고 존댓말과 반말이 있기에 둘 다 배워서 상황에 따라 잘 써야 합니다. 한글은 쉽지만 한국어는 어렵다. By learning languages from different countries with different cultures and histories, I've grown a lot. And I made this channel to help you guys learning French, but also to share my own language learning journey. So in this channel, I'll be teaching French in a fun and engaging way, and we'll mainly focus on speaking. So we'll make a lot of sentences, because I think that if you can't create your own sentences, it's hard to speak naturally, right? So sentence building will be a big part of my lessons, and yeah, practice makes perfect. So this is how my lessons will work. And of course, I can also change the content according to what you like, guys. So if you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comments. I've talked a lot, so see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!